Namaste everyone, it's Ravindra from Focuses, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about one really awesome and cool screen recording software which is really simple and easy to use. There are many other awesome screen recording software which are very complex, but this software which I'm going to talk about today is really simple and easy to use. It is free, it is small and light, it is fast, and it has very user-friendly interface. Of course, there will be no any watermark in the video, and you can record unlimited video with this software. This software is called iSpring FreeCam, and the only drawback of this screen recorder is it can record up to 720p only. So now let's see how to install iSpring FreeCam and use it. So for this we need to go to browser, of course, and search for iSpring FreeCam download. Once you click it, go to the first link, which is iSpringSolutions.com. It is their website. Now to download it, first give your email here and click download now. Once you have done that, they will send the link in your email. Just go there and click it and your iSpring FreeCam will be downloaded. It would be stupid of me to download it once again because I already have downloaded it. So here in my downloads folder I have iSpring FreeCam already. So once you have downloaded this file, just click here and run it. Now accept the license agreement and click install. It will take some time to install. Now our iSpring FreeCam is installed. To launch it, click in the launch button here. So this is our iSpring FreeCam here. So it is very simple and easy to use. So if you need new recording, just click here to new recording, and here is our iSpring FreeCam. Now you can unmute the mic here. It means along with the video, audio will also be recorded. So here is our resolution. So I am okay with this 720p video. So you can also select area of which part of the screen you want to record. So to record the desired area of the screen, you just need to left click on the mouse, drag it, and I just want to record this part of the screen only. So I'll just click here. So our iSpring FreeCam will now record only this part of the screen, which is pretty cool. So you can go to settings here and you can set the pause resume button, stop recording button, and discard recording. So I will set the pause resume button to F1 and I'll set stop recording to F2, whereas discard recording to F3. You can also test the microphone here and you can enable system sounds or disable it. Now we will be good to go. So to record this screen, now you need to click here in red icon which says start new screen recording, which I'm gonna do now. So just click here, wait for 3 seconds, and our iSpring FreeCam has started. Now once we have done that, we can click on F2 button because I set it to end the recording. Our recording has finished and here is our recording. So another cool thing about iSpring FreeCam is you can edit the video here also. You can delete it, you can silence it, you can trim it, you can remove noise, adjust volume, fade in and fade out. You can do all those here in iSpring FreeCam video editor. So once you have done that, you can save and close it. You can save the video in your computer, or you can directly upload to YouTube or to the social media like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. But I'm just going to save it in my computer, so let me just click here. Once I have clicked here, I can choose the location where I want to save my video. I want to save it at desktop, so I'm just going to click here and save it. Video is now in desktop, which is pretty cool. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Goodbye everybody. See you guys in the next video.